Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about how to install the BikeMaster USB port. So underneath this rubber boot right here, that is the USB port, which you can use for charging phones or hooking up your GPS or whatever little device you want to use to charge or power. And it's handy to have this on your bike. We've got these on our site. I'm sorry, I don't know the price point on them. But anyhow, you can see what I did here. I bolted it to the frame. A lot of guys, silicone them on there, glue them somehow, or use double-sided tape. I just want a more secure method. So I drilled 2 pilot holes, and then I used these self-tapping screws. I bought a pack of these, a whole box of these things, selection off of Amazon a long time ago. And then I just run it down. See, this actually goes like that. You got the tank off here so you can see everything. Now the tank stops about right in here on the stock tank and a little higher up on oversized tanks. This bike is going to get a 4-gallon tank put on it, 3.9. Anyhow, I just run it down alongside the throttle cable here. And this is its connector. And this is red and black wire. I tucked it underneath the frame here. And then there it is right there. And the wiring loom is long, like they always are on most aftermarket accessories. And I didn't want to have a big wad of wires in there, so I shortened it up. I think I had to take 6 or 8 inches out of it. And then I used these connectors that are really slick. I mean, they're kind of pricey. You can buy these on Amazon. They're called, there's 2 different brands, Posi Lock and Posi Tap. And they're pretty slick. You just strip the end of the wire and slide this little cap piece over the wire, and then push the wire into that center piece and tighten the cap down, and it just squishes it and locks it in. I mean, it's a very secure system. So anyhow, that's what I did there. Right underneath the frame, you can see it, pops up right there. I've got it running underneath the ECU, and then it pops back up right here. And then there's the wire there, and I just run it inside that stock rubber boot. And bam, it's done. I think it's pretty clean. It just bugs the hell out of me when I see bikes where they just looks like a rat's nest underneath the tank and seat, where they've added accessories and done a really poor job of the wiring part of it. So this is a friend's bike, and he doesn't know how to do this kind of stuff, so I'm doing it for him. It's a 21 500 EXC, but you can put this on a lot of bikes, the 2-strokes, 4-strokes, adventure bikes, all brands of bikes. Pretty sick little part. And like I said, I'm sorry I don't remember the price point on that. I know they're real reasonable. And I think that's about it for this, guys. I just want to show you how to do this. I just want to show you, my method, which I think is pretty clean. There's more ways than this to skin a cat, but this gives you an idea on how to do it and make it turn out nice. So I think that's about all for now on this. Get out and ride, have some fun. Summer's never long enough, and the snow will be flying before you know it. So get out there and tear up some dirt. And be sure and like us on Facebook. It definitely helps us out. And then subscribe to us on YouTube. That's also a big plus. And then whatever it is on Instagram, make sure you do that as well. We sure appreciate your support. Hopefully this helps you out a little bit. Take care.